guys, welcome back to my channel, Couture, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you this beautiful wig from Eullair. This is a pre-colored wig, meaning it came this beautiful bomb color. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I take this wig from this to this to this to this. Okay, so if you guys like to see, definitely stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, I'm getting right into my sideburns. I'm going to go ahead and just part that out, and then I'm going to cut it and pluck it and all that good stuff. So yeah, just watch what I do. If you guys didn't see part 1 on how I installed this wig, definitely check out part 1. This is the Eullair 350 color, 24-inch, 180% density, water wave 13x4 unit. That's a mouthful, right? But yeah, that's what this is. So make sure you guys check the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig. So now I'm just styling my sideburns, and I'm using my Erica J Fluff and Stuff foam, and I'm just putting that on a toothbrush. So now I'm just adding a little bit of baby hair, not a whole lot. I'm not like a baby hair fanatic. I don't want like all the swoops and stuff unless I'm wearing it like curly, then I would do that. But because of the styles that I'm doing today, I don't want like tons and tons of baby hair. So right now I'm just playing with the baby hair, seeing what I'm taking out, what needs to be plucked, what needs to be cut, and you know, things like that. Make sure your baby hairs aren't super thick, because you just don't want that. So now I'm just using my Erica J Fluff and Stuff foam again, and styling that, and then I'm going to put my hair into a ponytail, and I'm going to apply my elastic band, so just to lay that down. So the first style that I'm going to be doing is the half up, half down. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just hot combing the front of my hair back, just so that when I go to put my hair in that ponytail that you see right here, that it's already nice and slick. So right now I'm just using the black rubber band, and then I'm going to take a piece of that hair and wrap it around my ponytail. So for the half up, half down, I'm just using my curling wand. This is an actual wand. This is the Eullair by Conair. I've had this for literally like 10 years. Like I've had the curling iron for like literally 10 years. I'm sorry, the wand. I've had the wand for like literally 10 years, okay? So I'm going to use that wand, and I'm just going to curl my hair. I'm going to do my curls away from my face. So depending on what side you're on, you'll be curling it the opposite way, okay? So just always make sure the curls are coming away from your face. Now that these curls are done, I'm just going to go ahead and finger them out. And when you finger them out, girl, it's going to give you that like bomb, like pepper Ann type of curl. Like it's so good. And then I took the ponytail out. I literally didn't do no more curling. I just took the ponytail out, and that's how I got these curls, baby. These are my fave. Like the side part with the no part, but the combed out, baby, what? Like, this is it. I was so like, I was just floored by the way that this hair took curls. Like, of course, it's curly hair, so like it curls well, but like these curls, they weren't tangled, they weren't knotted. Like, I didn't have to like comb it through and have like a bunch of like knots in it. It was just good. And then I just took it from here and I just put it up into a bun. So this is what the bun was looking like. As you can see, it just is laid ever so nicely. Put my little robe on. Like, I feel like that was like the look, that was the vibe for the bun. Like, the bun is just giving me housewife. It's just giving me, it's just like, I'm such a bun girl. And then in the morning, I got up and I just straightened my hair. I didn't have to rewash it. I didn't blow dry it, nothing. Like, it went from them curls to bone straight like this, literally with one pass of a flat iron. Like, this wig is the bomb, okay? Like, minimal to no shedding. Like, I absolutely love it. Make sure you guys check out Eullair. And that is about it for this video, you guys. I will see you guys next time. Until then, stay positive and be blessed. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at k.couture as well. And yep, stay positive and be blessed, guys.